Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, December 2nd. A lack of self-forgiveness can affect every area of our lives: our health, careers, relationships, parenting, and our general happiness and well-being. When we are unforgiving of ourselves, we experience the same harmful emotional and physical effects as when we are unforgiving to others. Holding on to self-blame keeps us stuck in a prison of the past and limits the potential that lies within the present moment. We can so easily make ourselves victims of our own thoughts and feelings of guilt and shame for what we have done. Make no mistake, we must be accountable for our actions. But when we stay stuck in the unhappy story of what we have done wrong, when we make an identity out of our past mistakes, then we deny ourselves the gift of transformation. We can all learn from the mistakes of the past. Learning from the past is not the same as being held hostage by what we have done wrong. At some stage, we must let go of the past and begin again. Remember, everybody deserves forgiveness, and that includes you. Today, let's do the practice of cultivating a forgiving heart again, to remind ourselves that, like everybody else, we hold this basic goodness, the innate goodness we're all born with, and that, like everybody else, we deserve forgiveness. We deserve a chance to begin again. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft. Find some spaciousness in your breathing, allowing all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you freely as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind some aspect of yourself that feels unforgivable. And sense what feels so bad about this unforgivable behavior, emotion, or way of thinking. How does it make you feel about yourself? How does it prevent you from being happy? Allow yourself to feel the pain that makes you want to push away this insecure or judgmental part of yourself. And now explore more deeply what is driving this unacceptable part of your being. For example, when you are judging others, is it because you're feeling fearful yourself? Or if you have wounded another person, maybe you acted out of hurt or insecurity or the need for safety. As you become aware of underlying wants and fears, allow yourself to feel them directly in your body, in your heart, in your mind. And as you allow these feelings, thoughts, energies to come forth, as you allow yourself to touch them gently, begin to offer a sincere message of forgiveness to whatever feelings, thoughts, or behaviors you are trying to reject. You can use just one word, forgiven, forgiven. Or you might offer yourself a whole message. I see how I've caused myself suffering, and I forgive myself now. Meet whatever arises, fear or judgment, shame or grief, with this message of forgiveness you choose. Allow the hurt to untangle in the openness of a forgiving heart. And if you feel that you are just going through the motions right now and not actually capable of forgiving yourself, because you might think you don't deserve to be forgiven, or you might be afraid that if you forgive yourself, you'll just do the same thing again. If all those doubts and fears arise, acknowledge and accept them with compassion. And then say to yourself, it is my intention to forgive myself when I'm able. Remember that your intention to forgive is the seed of forgiveness. And this willingness will gradually relax and open your heart. Now place your hands on your heart, thanking yourself for all this deep, powerful work you've been doing. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect on all the things you cannot forgive yourself for. Maybe jot them down on your forgiveness journal if you keep one. Can our practice today help you open to the possibility of self-forgiveness? Because learning from the past is not the same as being held hostage by what we have done. At some point, we all must let go of our past mistakes and use this chance to begin again. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.